Be updated with the latest legit online jobs or remote work openings, guys, no? Dahil meron na tayong Barangay VA job board, which is ma-access nyo na dito, nakalink yan sa ating description box, okay? For you guys to access it, to view all the job openings and to share it, guys, you do not have to log in to anything. Actually, if we have access to our Notion dashboard, pwede nyo na itong makita doon. Naka-embed na siya doon and always updated with our latest job openings, and only the ones that we trust ang pinapapost natin doon. So we screen them before we approve every job opening. Para hindi kayo matakot kung ito ba legit o hindi. Kasi alam niyo naman, ako bilang si Jam na Barangay VA, ayaw natin na nasa-scam kayo. Okay, so panoorin natin to. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano din yung mga latest job openings natin. Let's go! Okay, welcome to Barangay VA Job Board. So ito na po yun, guys, no? Very, very simple lamang yan, no? Nandito na agad ang mga openings natin. You can do it in two views, pwedeng list view or card view or gallery view. Ayan po siya. Okay, so dito sa gallery view, makita niyo kung anong role, anong klaseng contract, part-time, full-time, anong kumpanya or agency, ano yung kanyang range of salary, anong time zone, kailan pinost, if you wanna share it, pwede. And if you wanna view everything, just click view and you will see the full job description here. 'Di ba? You will see everything here. And isa nga sa ating maganda dito, you can apply right away here. And it will lead you to the application form right away. Ganyan siya. Okay, so um dito, if you can see, ayan nga, recruitment specialist, we have an opening. It's a part-time position. So EST ang kanyang time zone, and the range of salary is 900 to 1 to 50 a month. And ito yung kanyang job description, no? Ano pa mga openings natin? Let's go. Meron tayong EA, ayan, kay Coconut, 18 to 250 a month, full-time. Ayan, no? Full-time. So yung 250 to yung 2,500 is like 100,000 plus a month. 'Di ba? So you can apply for that. Meron tayong sales development representative, which is 1,250 to 150 per month. City Central Time, full-time siya, guys. Kay Coconut Accounting Associate, 750 to 750 a month, Eastern Time, part-time role siya. Meron tayong SDR Sales Development Representative, 1 to 12, 1250 to 2150 Mountain Time. That's a full-time role. Okay. EAN Marketing Specialist is 650 to 750 Mountain Time, part-time. Applied AI Engineer. Ito mataas to, guys. Mga ano to, mga 150 or 170,000 pesos per month to. Eastern Time, full-time. Software Engineer, 1800 to 2300 Eastern Time. Ayan, full-time. Again, Engineer Specialist, 1800 to 2150 India Standard Time, a full-time role as well. Ito, guys, Monday.com Solutions Architect, 1250 to 2150 CDT full-time. Ito yung kay Coconut also. Operations Manager, 650 to 1100 per month. PST, part-time. So ito yung mga kay Coconut. Kay Plus 40, madami din. Amazon Specialist, $10 an hour. Part-time, Eastern Time. E-commerce SMM with email marketing focus, 7 USD per hour. TBA yung yung time zone, but it's part-time. Business Development and Lead Generation Assistant, it's 7 USD per hour PST, at saka part-time. Performance Ad Creative Specialist is $10 an hour UK time, part-time. Supply Chain Manager is 14 USD per hour New Zealand time, full-time. Social media manager, $7 per hour Eastern time, part-time. Influencer marketing manager, $8 an hour Eastern time, full-time. Marketing activation lead slash B2B marketing manager, that is $10 an hour. And is NZT or New Zealand time, that's full-time. Operations manager, that's $12 an hour, New Zealand time, full-time. Yung mga New Zealand time, para Australian time, guys, pang umaga. Head of operations, $14 an hour, New Zealand time, full-time. Short form video editor, $8 CST, part-time. So, ito lahat ng openings natin ngayon. Mamaya mag-post ako ng dalawa pa. Ayan, so, never ending. Eh, sorry. Eh, malalaman yung again, yung pinaka job description pag click yung pinaka row, yung pinaka card. Makita niyo po yan. No? You can share it also anywhere, Facebook, whatever. Ayan. So, automatic po yan. And kung kayo naman po ay nagbabalak or maybe you're an agency owner or may sarili kang you work in an agency and you want to post here, all you have to do is to click admin and then kayo po ay gagawa ng account, request access. Tapos may form kayong sasagutan and then for approval, pag approve na po kayo, automatic po makakatanggap kayo email niyan. Tapos makaka-access na kayo dito sa ating back end, okay? Then you can post already. Like this, pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura. Ayan, no? So, pagka kayo po ay nakaka-access na ng back-end, hindi po kayo admin. Okay? So, ang admin po ay ako lang. Okay? So, whenever you post something, makikita nyo yung mga pinost mong job openings ay ano lang siya, naka for approval pa kasi I have to approve it on my own. I have to check if legit before I approve it. So all you have to do is click add new job, just accomplish the following, and then save job, tapos may lalabas dito na for approval status. So malalaman nyo naman pag in-approve ko na eh. Ganun po siya. Okay? So yun lang. Yun lang po yung inyong access. That's it. And you can always, post all you want. Okay? Basta bawal spamming dito, guys. No? Alright. That's it. So that's it for me for today. Sana ay ito'y nakatulong sa inyo. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung platform once again. Nandito siya nakalink sa ating description box or naka-embed na po siya sa ating Barangay VA Notion dashboard. Enjoy and I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy po! Good luck!